Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a couple of days ago, I let you know that the Patch Tuesday update for Windows 11, 25 and 24H2, which is this update, which is KB5121767, had been paused on some Dell PCs, which was an Intel bug, where an Intel driver compatibility issue had been discovered that could trigger serious performance problems. So Microsoft paused the update, and this was an official known issue over on Microsoft's Known Issues Health dashboard page. Now, just to let you know that late yesterday in my region, late yesterday on Saturday, Microsoft has rolled out an emergency out-of-band update to address the issue, which is also known as a OOB update. So it must have been quite a serious issue if Microsoft pushed out an emergency update on a Saturday, which they don't really do. Now, the update that was pushed out is just above, and it's this update, KB5121767. 5121767. And Microsoft has this to say regarding the update. This update addresses an issue, Microsoft says, affecting a limited number of devices with an Intel Innovation Platform Framework driver that could cause changes in performance, power consumption, or system behavior after installing recent Windows updates. A limited number of Dell devices that were temporarily prevented from receiving the July 2026 security update, which is this update as mentioned, can now install this OOB update, 5121767. And Microsoft says this OOB update is only recommended for devices affected by this issue. If your device is not affected, no action is required. Now that's important because I'm not running a Dell device. This is an HP laptop that I'm running. But you can see the update has been installed anyway. And the reason for this is because Microsoft says, take note, if you have turned on get the latest updates as soon as they are available toggle in Windows Update settings, you will automatically receive this OOB update, which I did because I like to install all updates for the purpose of this channel so I can inform you guys. And the OOB update is also available from the Microsoft Update catalog if you want to download and install it manually. So that's important. And the reason why, if you have this toggle turned on, why the update is being pushed out automatically to all devices, even if they are not Dell devices affected by the issue, is because Microsoft says the update is cumulative. It includes all improvements from previous security and non-security updates, along with an additional fix, which is this fix, addressing system performance on some of those Dell devices. So it's important to note, if you have already installed it without experiencing any problems, you do not need to worry. But just take note, this is another reminder to turn off this toggle if you do not fully understand how it works, okay? Some of you may end up unnecessarily installing today's out-of-band update because of how it is distributed and labeled. But so far, I have run my system a little bit. I'm not noticing any issues after installing the update that it's caused. Everything seems to be running fine so far. So nonetheless, guys, if this update, the Patch Tuesday update for Windows 11, 25 and 24H2 was blocked on your device, if you're running a Dell device, then make sure you get your hands on this update sooner than later. And obviously you can just check for updates and seek for the update if you're not seeing it. And that will be downloaded to your device where you can install it if you have one of those affected PCs. And just posting this quick video today just to keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.